Hello everyone, my dear friends. We discuss today with new beat in C++, string in C++. The string is a one-dimensional character array. That is, we know that there are three types of array: integer, real, and character, and that one of character array is called as a string. Every string in C++ terminated by null character or /0. The string are used to manipulate text such as word or sentence. For example, whenever char a and subscript, then in pair of curly braces, the string or sentence is given, then it is known as a string. Then after discussing the definition of string, we discuss the features provided by the string. The string provides a different type of feature, such as a string is a sequence of character array with the null terminated character or /0. That is, it is automatically inserted by compiler. For each character string in C++, insert the null character automatically. Each character in an array is occupied one byte because its data type is char. Elements of C string are stored in contiguous or consecutive memory locations. That is, each are indexed type. Each character, each string function are manipulated under a header file string.h. So programmer must include string.h file into program before it is used. That is, hash include string.h file is declared. Then it uses the string functions. After discussing the features, we discuss now various string functions. The C++ string functions are used whenever programmer includes string.h header file. It provides different type of string functions, but we discuss here only four type. First string function is strlen. This string function counts the number of characters present in the string. It counts the character one by one and with blank spaces. That is, blank spaces also considered as a one character. Then strcpy, this string function is copy the content of source string to the target string. strcat, this string function concatenate or combine one string function, that is source string, to the target string. Then strrev, this string function reverse the content of entered string. Then after discussing these four type of string function, then we know that characteristic of string function, these four type of string function we are see in practical with C++ example. But before we understand the characteristic or properties of string, the characteristic or properties of the string, that is, string are fundamental concept of software engineering, but it is not built-in type. It is called as a derived type. C++ style string consists of contiguous sequence of character terminated by null character. A pointer to string points to initial character. The length or size or limit of the string is 2 raised to the 32 minus 1, but it depends on the compiler. Then after discussing these all things, we see the concept of string, that is function, with practically. Here one C++ example I will be given you. Firstly, to use the string function, we must require hash include string.h, this header file, and here we know that a string is a one-dimensional character array, so that I define character array, that is, I take here a to string because we see copy string or concatenate string. So we require the two-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional nothing, two arrays we required. Here you read here C in dot get line. This statement must be given because whenever you read a sentence, that is one sentence, that is all character in one sentence, then C in dot get line, this statement must be required. So C in dot get line, this statement in parenthesis AAT, that is it read a character, that is character array with 80 character. The original string here, the original string, whenever you entered that string, the original string is printed here, and strlen count the number of character present in the string here, that is it count one by one character with blank spaces. Here strcpy b dot a, that is in character array b, copy the character array a string, that is source string a, copy to the target string b. Here strcat concatenate to string, that is after copy it concatenate. Here b comma a, that is source string is a, is copied to the destination string. Here strlev reverse the string, that is every character is reversed, and how it is executed, I compile it, run it, and again I run it. Here I enter the string. Suppose India is my country. See here, the original string India is my country, the string length 18 character, that is it will be count India spelling is wrong, so that there are 80 character it will be displayed. Whatever you have string given, that character is count here. strlen, this string function here count the number of character present in the string. strcpy here copy the source string to the target string. strcat here in output we see that the two string are combined, and strrev reverse the string. Thus we discuss all four type of string function: strlen, strcpy, strrev, strcat. I hope you will be understand these all string. So nice day. We have stopped here. Thank you for watching my video. And you like this video, you can subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.